My name is Vibha Janakiraman, and I'm a 2023 Presidential Scholar in the Arts with a concentration in classical music. I started playing the violin when I was about 6 years old. My paternal grandfather is a South Indian classical or Carnatic musician, so he sort of was my first major musical inspiration in a very implicit way. You know, my dad was always singing around the house, and I was exposed to that system of music first. It's very much a part of the way I listen to music and the way I think about music. I'm a big believer in being very intuitive about the way that we practice. Like mentally, there's times where, you just don't feel like practicing or you can't seem to get into the right zone. In those kind of times, I would probably spend more hours on my schoolwork or more hours listening to music, reading, doing things that will still influence my art, but not just sort of hacking away at the instrument. The Perlman Music Program, which is the summer program I attend. My most recent summer there, I had a wonderful string quartet with 3 of my best friends, and we played Beethoven's string quartet titled Harp. It was just such a meaningful experience to get to work with them and share that joy with them and perform for an audience of people that we cared really deeply about. So that performance is something that I think will stick with me forever, and I actually wrote about it in one of my Presidential Scholars essays. I have found that school is a really wonderful outlet for me, in a way, and everything that I've done in school directly influences my music making. I started to realize how much my understanding of physics can help me in the practice room. So from a very physical perspective, that means understanding how something like vector independence, where perpendicular vectors don't affect one another, how that can make my bow arm more efficient. Learning about all this stuff in school really influences my music making, and I'm actually really grateful to have had both, because I don't think I could be the student that I am without music, and I don't think I could be the violinist that I am without my academic investments here. For the longest time, I was like, I am going to go to a conservatory, to a music school, that's what I'm going to do, I know this is what I want to be doing with my life. That hasn't changed. For me, the best thing would be to spend the next 4 years completely committed to my craft and, trust myself to find other sources of intellectual nourishment in other places. So that's why I decided to go to Juilliard. I hope that I can do what I see my teacher, Miss Cho, do for all of her students and also all of her colleagues, which is reminding people that being an artist means being a person first and foremost, and kind of shifting the way we think about music education so that people stay really connected to their musical intuition. I love learning, and it's a privilege to be at a place like USP or at a place like Juilliard or involved with a community like Young Arts, where I wake up every day and I have the opportunity to learn about music, about the world, about other people, and about myself. And I try to keep that at the center of everything that I'm doing.